My name is Alexa, and I will tell you some of the best things that happened to me in high school. Before I present the high school exam, I want so badly the high school number 22. But if I had chosen the high school number 22, I wouldn't have met my best friends. And if I hadn't met my best friends, I would have been another type of person during my high school stage. But actually, I am in high school number 7. If I hadn't become part part of the swimming team, I wouldn't have met extraordinary people as my team. And if I had chosen football or volleyball as my sport, I wouldn't have felt the emotion of a swimming competition. I'm glad I chose swimming. Then the opposite time comes and I decided to choose French in group 9. If I had decided to choose another optative, I would have had the opportunity to be part of a very attacked group.